this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. And guys, today I am so very super excited because today is our fall lantern collaboration for 2023. Yay! I'm so super excited. I am bringing this collaboration back. I did host this in the past for several years for each season. So fall, and actually the first time I started with a fall collaboration also. So I thought this year I'd go ahead and start it again. So we'll be doing it for the fall, for Christmas/winter, then spring and summer. So yes, I'm super excited. For this collaboration, the rules were super simple, very easy. I just wanted to see how you guys like to decorate your space with lanterns, or show us how you actually decorate a lantern for the fall season. So you can either show the lantern styled in your home with fall decor, or decorate the lantern with fall decor. Totally up to you. So also guys, if you are participating in the collaboration, thank you so much for joining me in this collab. I'm super excited to have you here, and I truly appreciate all of your support. And all of you watching, of course, we appreciate your support as well. So I want to remind each of you to be sure to check my description box down below for the playlist of all of the participants, so you can get lots of ideas and inspiration on how to decorate your home for the fall season using lanterns. Now guys, let's go ahead and hop right in to see how I style my home using lanterns for this fall season. Okay guys, so here are the lanterns that I'll be using in my styling for this fall look. These are two large lanterns that I have in my dining room. If you guys have been following me for a while, you have seen these lanterns before. I have styled them many times. I did purchase them from the at-home store maybe 4 years ago after Christmas. So they were on clearance at, I think, 80% off or something like that. So I got them for a very reasonable price. And they're about maybe 3.5 feet tall, maybe 4 feet tall. So now in the lanterns, I have added some magnolia leaf garland in the base of the lantern. The candles there are attached to the lantern, so they cannot be removed. So this is the other side. I've done the same thing on this side as well. I'm going to make these two lanterns match each other. I want them to look very symmetrical. And this is the ribbon that I'll be using on these lanterns. I'm going to tie it at the base, at the top of the lanterns there. So I'm just going to roll out as much ribbon as I think that I'll need. I really want to make a large bow, and I want it to have tails. So I'm leaving the ribbon on the bolt, and I'll just kind of pull out the amount that I feel like I need. So here I'm just looking to make sure that the ribbon is touching the floor, because once I gather it all up to make the bows, then it will raise the length of the ribbon up some. So I wanted to make sure it was long enough. I had plenty enough ribbon to really work with, because I really want big full bows on these lanterns. So as you guys can see, I'm basically just tying this bow like you would shoelaces. So I just tied it in a double knot, and now I am measuring off the amount of ribbon that I need to complete the bows, and I'm just going to cut the other side so that we'll have it off of the bolt and we can actually complete the bows. So here I have a chenille stem that I'm actually going to run behind the ribbon, because for me to make the second layer of the bow, initially I thought I was going to just leave it at this, but the tails are a little bit too long and it's covering too much of the lantern. So I decided that I'm going to gather it at the bottom and use a chenille stem to hold it ribbon into place. So that's why I threaded it through the back of the ribbon, and now I've gathered a portion of the tail and I'm just attaching it to the chenille stem, fluff it up a bit, and then we'll do the exact same thing to the other side. And now I'm just going to dovetail the ends of the ribbon. You guys know I always do this with my ribbons, or most often I do. So you just fold the wired ends of the ribbon together to where they're pointing towards each other, and then cut at an angle. And that creates like the dovetail or the little V cut in the bottom of the ribbon. So, and guys, you know me, I always kind of play around with the ribbon, fluff it up, kind of style it. However, with this ribbon, it is wired, but the wire is very thin in it, and the ribbon is not really that flexible. You can see how I'm kind of playing around with it, and it doesn't want to hold the shape, but it's nice because it's easy to tie a bow with it. So I think it came out really cute. I really like it. I'm happy with how it looks. I thought about adding flowers or something at the top, and I thought, you know what, I think this is perfect for now. And here's the other side. I did the exact same thing to the other lantern. And again, I think it looks very simple, but very elegant, really pretty, perfect for the fall season. And this is a great base. So if I want to add more later, I certainly can do so. Now we're going to focus our attention on the dining room table. You see what I have on the dining room table already. And so I am going to jazz this table up a little bit to coordinate with those lanterns. And now I'm going to add in some of the same magnolia leaf garlands that I used in those large lanterns. I'm going to use them here on the tablescape, in the centerpiece rather, for the table. And I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I think these are so very pretty. I did get this garland from the at-home store, I want to say maybe 4 or 5 years ago, again after the season, so it was on clearance. And I just think they're so very pretty, and they really add a touch of class and elegance to your tablescape. And now I want to add these little lanterns to the centerpiece as well. These lanterns I did get at Walmart, again, a few years ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. And I thought they were so cute. I really love them. They kind of have a rustic feel about them, but I just love them. And so I'm adding them to this centerpiece, and I think that it really helps to anchor the centerpiece and really give it just the extra something that it needed. So I'm going to just work on kind of making sure everything is situated nicely in here, everything looks pretty, and then I'll show you guys the final look. And here's the final look of the centerpiece. I think it looks so very pretty. I'm really happy with how it's looking right now. Even though I haven't added any pumpkins or anything, I think it's just really pretty. It's definitely giving me all of the fall vibes. But again, I think this is the perfect base. So later on, as we move further into the season, if I chose to add more, then I certainly could. So, and you guys know, eventually I'll set up the whole tablescape and everything. And I just think it's so very pretty. And I love how everything coordinates with the larger lanterns there in the corner. So I've showed you guys how to use lanterns in 2 different ways, using large lanterns where we've styled them with garland and ribbons, and then smaller lanterns on your tablescape without any decor, but they are just a part of the decor. So those lanterns are not actually decorated, they're just a part of the styling of the decorations. So again, I think it's so very pretty. I absolutely love all the colors, and this is going to just look perfect and flow throughout the home with everything that I'm doing in the other spaces. So guys, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel if you haven't already, because I have been working on decorating our home for fall already, and I've done several rooms so far. And if you guys are checking out the background, you might see a little bit of some of the things that's been happening, but I'll definitely be bringing more videos. So make sure your notification bell is clicked so that you do not miss any upcoming content. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Also, it does help when you leave comments, so be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about my fall decor, how I styled my dining room for fall using my lanterns. And guys, this is like pre-fall for me because as you notice, I didn't put out any pumpkins yet. I have taken out a few pumpkins, but I have not started styling the house with pumpkins just yet. I just wanted to give like fall inspiration so that you guys can see that you can add a touch of fall without going crazy with pumpkins and everything like that. So I will add a couple as we move closer to the season, but for now I just wanted to bring in the colors and just get inspired. So leave me a comment down below to let me know if you were inspired with what you've seen here in this video. Also guys, again, let me say a huge thank you to all of the participants for this collaboration, and I want to encourage each of you to be sure to check my description box down below so that you can watch the playlist of all of the participants. Also, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. I have lots of fall inspiration coming your way. I also have a couple of summer videos that I still want to share with you guys because you know I live in South Texas and we're still in triple digits. Today was 104 degrees, so it's still really hot here, so we are definitely in full summer swing still, even though it's starting to look like fall around my house. So make sure your notification bells are clicked because you do not want to miss any upcoming content. Alrighty guys, so I have enjoyed my time with you all today. I hope you all have as well, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.